Either you are a student of that college or you're an alumni of that college. So it gives an immediate identity. Yeah. Whenever you're in campus, I think we can do a lot of things. And my humble request to all of you, whenever you are in India, just try to take one day off. Believe me, it recharges you tremendously. I'm not saying this as from a contribution from our side to the college. The reverse, I have experienced this myself. Whenever I felt that my batteries are down, the first thing I do is just call the college and say, okay, now let me know what I can do in the college. I want to be there for 1 or 2 days. The moment you enter the college, the moment you start interacting with the students, their enthusiasm, just like Chairman Sir was saying, the amount of energy you guys gave here, that is similar. Once you go there, the energy you get from the students, the enthusiasm you get from the students is so good that it's as good as having a mental massage. Believe me, it is the greatest spa when you feel that you're down and you want to charge your batteries. So you look at it from that perspective, and obviously, yes, giving back to the college, sharing of knowledge, learning. Quite a lot of us have learned a lot when going to the college the second time or the third time or the fourth time. So there are quite a few opportunities. Please try to make it. And I'm sure most of you, especially in the Gulf, are blessed with an annual vacation, which not probably all people in the rest of the world have. So try to utilize that. A day to Madurai, to Thiruparangundram, to Mottai Arasu is just amazing. Just believe me, it works wonders. You just have to do it once, and then it'll become you'll get hooked onto it. It's an addiction. Believe it. Well, I think the industry interaction we talked about, quite a lot has happened. Kudos to the alumni who have done that, who bought in the college to the doorsteps of whichever organizations are. But the idea is to try and see how much more we can do in the core areas. Somewhere we feel that we are very, very strong in the new technology, which is your circuit branches, if you were to call them. Your electronics, electrical to an extent, computer science and IT and all that stuff. The non-circuit branches, which is your mech, your civil, which has been the core and heart of our college. Somewhere I think we still down, and that I think if we can move it up a little bit in terms of the industry interaction, that will be a great help. This is once again an area where a branding for TCE and through TCE for alumni of TCE, small things which we can do from our side. If you know of contacts and amongst VIPs, we can host them, get them to give guest lectures. It could be your bosses, your research guides who are I mean most of the corporates have some leading lights in the industry. If we can try and get them, the word VIP over there is not about politicians or not people from that category. We're purely talking about people from the technology background. If you think we have access to them, we should be very, very happy to host them on behalf of the alumni or behalf of TCE. The management will be very glad to do that. The trust and the fund, I think all of you are aware, the college was and will be, I'm sure I'm speaking here probably out of turn when I have the chairman here, is run on the philanthropic mode. Till date, not a single seat is sold out to anyone, unlike other private educational institutions, which is a great credit. I mean, today you talk about education wherever it is. Globally, it is a business, not a TCE, which I think our TCE or all the TCE related institutions, which is a great credit to the management style, the values and the ethics which comes along from the management towards this. And so that's the reason why there's a corpus fund which gets created, which was also a lot of struggle we had to go through to get the management agree for a corpus fund for scholarships. The alumni have contributed immensely. So the corpus fund for scholarship is doing well. It's gaining momentum. All this is legal. It is all audited, and we have a structure to it. So whenever it is, they are all tax exempted in India. Whenever you invest, whenever you donate towards these scholarships, so you could use this as an opportunity. But such corpus, we don't want to restrict it only to scholarships. One grand vision which the alumni, the Central Coordinating Committee will discuss in this year, in 2013, is about creating a research park or a convention center kind of a system where you have a whole infrastructure which is built to promote entrepreneurship, to promote research, and also use a part of the infrastructure for alumni to get together, alumni to stay whenever they come into Madurai, etc. So that's the intention behind the corpus and the fund. So that's where we are. Well, I think we've discussed most of it, and this is the takeaway for us. So we will definitely keep in touch with all of you through the chapter executives, and definitely look forward to all your cooperation. And I'm very confident that the next time we meet, we've met at least 70 to 80% of the target we've set ourselves here, because it does involve all our energies to get in sync, and I'm sure we will be able to see that success which we want for the alumni. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Mr. Ramkumar, for your valuable guidance, and we are very happy. And we look forward for your association with the TCE chapter representing UAE chapter. Next, as our chairman and correspondent said, it's a challenging session after the lunch, though I want to say that we have been managing very enthusiastically up so far now. We have a small battery charger coming up with the dance group for 5 minutes, and I request the Abu Dhabi dance artists to come out for their performance on the stage, organized by Lakshmi teacher.
బ్రహ్మమొకటే పరబ్రహ్మమొకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా నిండార రాజు నిద్రించో నిద్రొకటి అంటనే బంటు నిద్రలదియుడొకటి నిండార రాజు నిద్రించో నిద్రొకటి అంటనే బంటు నిద్రలదియుడొకటి మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుడుండేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటి మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండాలుడుండేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటి సరి భూమి ఒకటి సరి భూమి ఒకటి బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల కడిగి ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటి ఉడమి సునగము మీద బొలయు ఎండొకటి కడిగి ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటి ఉడమి సునగము మీద బొలయు ఎండొకటి కడిగి ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటి ఉడమి సునగము మీద బొలయు ఎండొకటి కడుపునులను పాప కర్ములను సరిగా జటియు శ్రీ వెంకటే కటు పుణ్యులను పాప కర్ములను సరిగా జటియు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఒకటి శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఈశ్వరు నామము వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఒకటి తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బ్రహ్మమొకటి పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటి పర బ్రహ్మమొకటి పర బ్రహ్మమొకటి తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా తందనానాగి తందనానాపురి తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా బల తందనానా
தமிழில் பாடிடும் மன்னர் யாவரும் காத்து நிற்கும் அமுதமெனுமோ தமிழில் பாடிடும் மன்னர் யாவரும் காத்து நிற்போம் அருகந்த குருவா புகழேல அவர்கள் சுரந்து காக்கும் மனுகூலம் அவர்கள் சுரந்து காக்கும் மனுகூலம் நீலமயில் நிமலனா பிரகாசன் தூர நெஞ்சை நீங்காதென்றும் மகுவாசன் தூர நெஞ்சை நீங்காதென்றும் மகுவாசன் தூர நெஞ்சை நீங்காதென்றும் மகுவாசன்.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the excellent dance event and well demonstrated on the stage. This has brought back the Tirupparangundram Murugan back over here, and very appropriate dance and the song for our TCE event today. Also, I thank the previous dance group who had made a wonderful performance. We place our appreciation and recognition and your time contributed towards this. Also, I would like to thank your understanding and patience. Since we are running late, and we appreciate your understanding and patience. Yeah. Quick moment of recognition. Can I request Mr. Christopher to hand over a memento to Mr. Palniyappan on continuation to our memento series earlier. Yeah. Mr. Palninatha Raja. Now, just to give you a background, we have a lot of sponsors who have supported us to conduct this program successfully. One of the sponsors is Albanna Group, belonging to where Mr. Mannavan is working. We want to place the recognition to Albanna Group, giving the memento, and we request Mr. Anbalagan to hand over the same.
Actually, Abu Dhabi, Lakshmi Teacher, last year they extended the support for the entertainment. In the same way, this year also extended the support. On recognition of their support, we would like to give some memento and certificate to the children performed for this event. I request Mrs. Ruba to come forward to collect the certificates and the gifts.
Once again, thank you very much for the dance program and your efforts. Now, to carry on with our recognition and certification, we have some valuable awards for our TCE alumni. First, let me invite Mr. John Christopher, a certificate of appreciation on behalf of his valuable service award, in the sense he was there in our college from 1966 to 76 in the electrical engineering department as a lecturer. We honor our service, and then this goes into appreciation, and I request our correspondent, Mr. Kannan, to hand over the certificate to Mr. Christopher. Thanks, Mr. Kannan. Next comes, I invite Mr. Anbalagan Kandasamy, and this certificate of appreciation goes on his Entrepreneurship Award in the UAE for managing well the ProLead Engineering Consultants, the Engineering Excellency. I request Mr. Kannan to honor this with the certificate to Mr. Anbalagan. Next, I would like to have this certificate of appreciation to Mr. Annamalai, who is the director of Amma's Restaurant, established well successfully in the UAE. And I request our correspondent to honor his deliverables by the certificate. Hope we had a small battery charger so far with the dance program. Now comes a rocket charger. This is a certificate of excellence to Mr. S. Lakshmanan in recognizing his as a Lifetime Achievement Award from our TCE UAE. We request correspondent Kannan to honor the certificate to Mr. S. Lakshmanan. Okay, as I was mentioning the rocket charger, First, let me introduce myself. I am 1987 Mechanical Engineering branch. My name is Parthiban. Here is one more interesting and a great achievement to be shared. I'm sure you all will be inspired. Yeah. This is about Lakshmanan, who is going to give us his valuable time to share his valuable credentials. As a classmate and as good friends, Lakshmanan, I know him, and he is from 1987 Civil Engineering branch. He has a lot of challenging stories, achievements, which I am privileged to know, being a good friend of him. That's about the basic updates. And about the professional excellency, a picture can say more than a million words. And I was very much surprised when he said initially he went and joined the job. I really want to know who has managed him, because he cannot work. He can give work to more than 3,000 people as he is doing today. So I request Lakshmanan to share his valuable